today we are going to be those scientists that goes to the moon. What is the name? Listen to the question. What is the name of the scientist that studies the planets, the moon, the earth, the stars? What is the name of that scientist? What is the name of the scientist that goes to the moon? What is the name of the scientist that goes to the moon?
Hello, teacher Mago.
Hello, Jime. Good afternoon. Yes, Mateo.
Yo voy a explorar el mundo.
You're going to explore the world? Yes, Mateo. But what is the name? What is the name? Listen to the question. What is the name of the scientist that goes to the moon? ¿Cómo se llama el científico que va a la luna?
Astronauta.
Astronaut. What is his name?
Astronaut. Astronauta.
And in English, astronaut. It's an astronaut. Okay. Today, we're going to be astronauts, okay? So, are you ready to be an astronaut today? Yes or no? Yes, we want to be astronaut. Okay, so now I am going to show you a short video. Here we go. Open your ears, astronauts. Open your eyes. And be quiet, in silence. Shh. Here we go. Ready?
He prepares for a great voyage in his special ship. He puts on a big spacesuit to protect him and help him breathe. The astronaut voyages to space to explore. When he gets to the moon, he has to jump because there's no gravity, and he collects rocks to analyze. The astronaut voyages to space to explore. The astronaut voyages to space to explore. The astronaut voyages to space to explore. The astronaut voyages to space to explore.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about the astronauts. What do you know about them? What do you know about astronauts? ¿Qué saben de los astronauts? What do you know about them? Yes, Fernando.
Nothing.
What do you know about the astronauts, Ángel?
Los mandan para investigar la luna.
Very
Van a ver la
good,
luna, van a ver
Catalina.
los astronautas. Los satélites, los marcianos.
Okay, very good, Ángel.
Toma la lupa y mira para allá.
Pon atención.
Like Catalina and Angel said, the astronaut travel to the moon. Yes, Catalina.
Para investigar la vida en la luna.
Very good, Catalina. Yes, the astronauts. Look, here I have some planets. And the astronauts go to the moon. They go to the moon. Do you know what is the moon? What is the moon?
Es un asteroide muy grande.
The moon is an asteroid.
Satélite de la Tierra.
No, the moon is a big star. It is a big star. Do you know what are the stars? Like this one. Okay, but we can see it because of the sun. In the morning, when you wake up, what do you see? What do you wake up? ¿Qué es lo que ven cuando se levantan? Morning.
Wow.
No.
Yes, Jimé?
Tony.
It's sunny. Very good, Jimena. Yes. We can see during the day because we have the sunlight. Look. Here, today we have a beautiful sunny day. And it is a sunny day because the sun is out. Can you find the sun? Where is the sun? Do you see it? Can you see the sun? Yes, there is the sun. Look. Do you think if I touch it, it's hot or cold? Do you think that I can touch it? Yes, this is the sun. And at night,
No,
what can we see in the night?
you don't touch.
In the night, what do we see in the night? The moon. Very good, Damian. In the night, we can see the moon. And during the day, we can see the sun. Sun. Very good. Yes, Tiago.
El cabello.
You cut your hair. Wow, you look very handsome. Yes, Constanza.
Una pelirroja y una que la tengo en mis manos, miren.
Wow, very good, Cons. But we don't have toys during the science club. No toys. Okay, very good, guys. So now, what do you have in your hands? What do you have in your hands? What are the materials that we're going to use today, scientists?
No sé.
We're going to use an orange, or a grapefruit, or a lemon.
Espera que voy por él.
Okay, perfect. We're going to need a big orange or grapefruit and a very small lemon. Very good. Show me yours, Angel. Very good, Angel. And also, if you don't have them, we can use other materials like Damian. He has unicel. Show us yours, Damian. There you go. Okay, we're going to need a big sphere and a small sphere. Yes, Milo?
Una naranja y qué más.
And a lemon.
Okay.
Perfect. We're going to use an orange or a grapefruit. Again, show us, Angel. Show us your orange and your lemon. And Damian, show us your spheres. Okay. Very good. Okay, those are the materials. Also, we're going to use Play-Doh. Do you have Play-Doh? Here I have my Play-Doh. And we're going to use wooden sticks. It can be like this, abatelenguas, o unos palillos. Okay? What do you think that we're going to use these materials? Scientists, what do you think that we're going to do today? What does it look like? The orange and the lemon. What do you think that we're going to do?
¿Qué vamos a hacer? ¿Cómo que se te ocurre?
¿Qué creen que vayamos a hacer? ¿A qué se parecen?
Pues déjame
What does
la
it look like?
Tony. A los planetas.
Very good, Milo. Yes, like the planets. So today, we're going to go to the moon. We are going to go in a rocket. We're going to get into a rocket. And we're going to go to the moon. Okay, but first, I need you to hear you singing this song, okay? We're going to sing, and if I don't listen, we cannot go to the moon. I need you to, I have to hear your voice, okay? So first we're going to sing, and then we're going to go to the moon. Ready? Okay, I want to listen to you, okay? Here we go.
Attention all astronauts, please report to the rocket ship and prepare yourselves for blast off. Thank you.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have blast off.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have blast off.
Okay, one more time. Ready? I want to see you singing. Okay, one more time. Here we go.
Attention all astronauts, please report to the rocket ship and prepare yourselves for blast off. Thank you.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have blast off.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have blast off.
Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Aura. Close your eyes, Vladi. Close your eyes, Santi. Close your eyes, Jime. Close your eyes, Alondra. Close your eyes, Milo. Close your eyes, Guillermo. Close your eyes, Catalina. Close your eyes. Raúl, close your eyes. Close your eyes. You cannot see anything. Fernando, close your eyes. Mateo, close your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where are we? What is this? We are in the moon. Very good, Milo. Yes. Now we are in the moon, and I am going to travel myself into the moon. You see? No, you can see my face now. I am going to change places. Okay, now we are in the moon. Look, even my face changed. Okay, we are in the moon. And what do you think that we're going to be doing in the moon? What are we going to do here? We are in the moon. And this, what is this? What is the name of this planet?
Nuestro planeta Tierra.
Very good, Santi. Yes. This is our planet, the Earth. In English, Earth. What is the name?
The Earth.
The Earth. Very good. And here we can see Mexico. Can you see where is Mexico? Yes, here is our country. Here is Mexico. Look. This is Mexico. This is where we live. Here, this is Mexico. Here is Damian. Here is Raúl. Here's Jimena. Who else lives in Mexico? Milo. Here is Milo.
Y mi mamá está en Los Ángeles porque está buscando. Ángel, yo también.
Ángel also lives in Mexico.
Yo también.
Aura
Yo
is in
también.
Mexico.
Yo también. De México.
You also are from Mexico? Yes, we all are from Mexico. So now I am going to make circles. Here is Vladi, Mateo, Leo, Ricky, Guillermo, Catalina. There is many people who lives in Mexico. And here we have Venezuela. Who is from Venezuela?
Me.
Who is from Venezuela?
Me and me.
Julieta. Julieta is here.
Me.
Here's
Me.
Julieta. Somewhere in here. Okay, so now that we are all in the earth, we are going to go to the moon. Ready? We're going to count backwards from 10 to 1. Show me your fingers. Show me your fingers. Okay, repeat with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lunch. So now we're going to go. Where are we going? Some. We're going to the moon. So now we all are in the moon. Here we are. Wow! Damián, Leonardo, Ricky, Milo, Mateo, Constanza, Tiago, Jimena, Regina, Raúl. Who else is in the moon? Santi, Julieta, Alondra, Vladimir, Máximo. We are all in the moon. And today that we are going to be on the moon, we're going to learn about the solar eclipse. Have you heard about a solar eclipse? Yes or no? Have you ever heard about a solar eclipse? No?
A mí no me puso. No, never.
Never? Never, astronauts? You have never heard about a solar eclipse?
Never.
Never. Okay, so now astronauts, we will have to go back to the rocket. Let's go back to the rocket. Vamos a regresar a nuestra nave. We're going to go back to our rocket. And through a microscope, por el microscopio, through our microscope, we are going to observe a solar eclipse. What are we going to observe? A solar eclipse. Okay, here we go. Okay, remember that we are in a rocket and we're going to observe through our microscope what is happening in the universe. What's happening?
Let me show you how I create engaging content using stock footage. Go to artgrid.io. The tools I use to
Okay, this is from the
2017
NASA.
total solar eclipse. Presented by Science at NASA. On August
Science.
21st, 2017, the shadow of the moon will sweep across the U.S. landscape, transforming day to twilight. In the surreal gloaming of an eclipse, the temperature drops, birds go silent, crickets begin to chirp, and blossoms start to close. As this scene plays out across a 70-mile wide path of totality from coast to coast, a continent-spanning wave of instruments, ranging from homemade pinhole cameras and certified ECLIPSE safety glasses to the most sophisticated telescopes in operation today, will be trained on the eclipse across America. Just before totality, a point of glistening sunlight is visible, making the moon look like a diamond ring. Then, as that drop of sunlight shines through rugged valleys on the moon's limb, tiny points of light called Bailey's beads appear like a string of beads around the vanishing edge of the sun. But best of all are the pearly white streamers that emanate all around the dark disk at totality. Scientists eagerly anticipate this eclipse for the unique science opportunities it provides. Alex Young, NASA's Associate Director for Heliophysics at the Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, says, "This will be the first total eclipse to span the U.S. since 1918, and scientific instruments have come a long way." The event presents a perfect opportunity
This
to
is
shed
the
light on
sun. Look
phenomena
at the
such
sun.
as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, billion-ton clouds of magnetized plasma ejected from the sun. To learn about their dynamics, researchers must study a
This is
region
a
of the sun
solar
that reveals itself
eclipse.
during an eclipse, the corona.
This is
Solar
how it
telescopes
looks.
can create artificial eclipses using disks called coronagraphs, explains Young. Unfortunately, man-made coronagraphs also block the sun's inner corona, where CME eruptions originate. Fortunately, during a total eclipse of the sun, the moon makes a better coronagraph. At totality,
Okay, now we're going to observe how does it looks from the Earth. Okay,
tired
from here,
scientists and everyone in between.
how does it looks like?
Meanwhile, NASA planes will photograph the sun, and a cadre of balloons will be floating near the edge of space to observe the eclipse. You can watch too, live from the balloons on August 21st at eclipse.stream.live. The terrain and weather are quite varied across the U.S., and the sun's blinding surface reappears, and you should once again use your solar filter.
And there is the
NASA
moon.
has a whole web page devoted to safety tips.
Okay, so today we are going to make our own solar eclipse. Look, here I have the Earth. This is the Earth.
I need to read the bathroom.
Okay, in English, Milo, may I?
I go to the bathroom.
Yes, you may go to the bathroom. Very fast, Milo. Okay, here I have the Earth. And in the Earth, I am going to find where is the astronaut Regina. Regina, where is the astronaut Regina? Okay, here, from here, the astronaut Regina went to the moon. She went to the moon. Now show me your orange, the big circle. The big circle. No, sorry, the small, the lemon. Okay, the lemon, it's going to be the moon. This is going to be the moon, the lemon. Okay, your lemon, the small circle is going to be the moon. And the big circle, the big one, it's going to be the sun. This is going to be the sun. Okay, what are we going to do? Okay, first we are going to paint the big sphere. What color is the sun? What color is yellow? Very good. So we're going to color the sun, okay? The big sphere is going to be the sun. And the small sphere is going to be the moon. What color is the moon?
Green.
What color is the moon?
Nick.
Green.
Green? The moon is green?
White.
White. Very good. We are going to color the moon and the sun. Okay? If you have an orange or a grapefruit, si tienen una naranja o una toronja, we're going to make it look like a sun. Vamos a hacer que parezca un sun, okay? Yes.
What is the thing
You have your lemon, Milo? Okay. The lemon, the small sphere, is going to be the moon. Okay? And we're going to put a wooden stick. Le vamos a poner un palillo o una batería.
Voy a buscar unos palitos.
Okay, perfect. So we're going to have them like this, okay? We have the moon and we have the sun. Okay, and with more clay, con más plastilina, with more clay, we're going to form a base. Okay, we're going to form a base in order to have the moon and the sun stable in our table, okay? Like this. We want it to stand up in the table. Okay, and we're going to put it like this. Okay, here is going to be the moon. And the sun, it's going to be far away from the moon, okay? It has to be far away. Okay, color, Damian, color the moon, color the sun. We're going to paint them.
¿Pero con qué lo pintamos?
With paint, con pintura, with paint. If you don't have, it's okay. Si no tenemos pintura, no importa, ¿eh? Lo podemos dejar así y con nuestra imaginación podemos jugar. Aquí tenemos the sun and the moon.
Sin color.
Okay, very good. Here I have my little universe.
Toma, toma, toma.
Okay, we're going to make the sun and the moon. Here I am going to use Miss Lucy's planet to be my sun. Estamos reciclando, Miss Lucy. Okay, I am going to go for glue. Okay, you tell me when you're ready. Ready, Vladimir? And my moon is going to be color blue. Okay, Leo is ready. Damian is ready. Catalina, are you ready? Okay, Julieta is ready. Okay, now the only one that is not going to be moving is the sun. Okay, the sun, it cannot move. No se nos puede mover para nada el sol, okay? It has to be stable. And the moon, here is my moon.
Es muy pesado.
With clay, look. Okay, with clay, I put it here. So now it is stable in my table. It is standing up on my table. Okay, your sun has to be perfectly standing up on the table.
I don't have.
You don't have clay? Okay, so with your right hand, you are going to have your hand around the sun. Okay? And with your left hand, the moon. And the moon, it's going to be moving around the sun. Okay, we're going to move the moon around the sun. Now, look what we are going to do. With your mom's or your father's phone, here I have my phone. We're going to turn on the light. Okay. And we're going to see what is going to happen. Okay, if I put the light for the sun, this is the sun. And if I move around the moon, what do you think that is going to happen? Okay, also we have to cover a little of the light. Okay, because today we have a beautiful sunny day, but we have to be more undercover. Okay, and we're going to try to observe the shadows. You see the shadow? This is the moon's shadow. Can you see it? ¿Pueden ver la sombra? Can you see the shadow? Okay, we're going to try to look out for the moon's shadow in the sun. And we're going to make a solar eclipse. Okay? If we move it around, this is how the moon is going to be looking at. Also, if you are in a closed room, si están en un cuarto cerrado y oscuro, se va a poder ver mejor en la noche. ¿Ok? Si lo vemos también contra la pared, en la pared vamos a ver cómo se va a iluminar una aurora de luz. ¿Ok? But now that we have the sunlight, ahorita que es de día, nada más vamos a poder ver la sombra del sol, de la luna, sobre el sol. Okay, look at your moon and look at the shadow. That is how. Very good, Ricardo. Yes. You have your solar eclipse, Ricky. Very good, Ricky. You see? Damian also has a solar eclipse. Very good, Damian. Okay, if you try it at night, si lo intentamos en la noche, we try it at night, we will get to experience this. Very good, Leo. Also, you have a good light. Very good, Leonardo. Excellent. Yes, that is the solar eclipse. That is why we can observe from the earth that the moon turns orange. During the solar eclipse, the moon turns orange. Okay, very good. And now, in order to finish our class today, I am going to show you what you can see in the night.
Its orbit.
Okay, if you try it at night, si lo intentan en la noche, if you try it at night, you are going to observe this. Take a look. You see, the moon is moving around the sun. Yes, very good, Ricky. So today, for your scientific method, you are going to share a picture of what is happening with the sunlight and the moon, okay? That is going to be your scientific method. Okay, what happens with the light? ¿Qué pasa con la luz? What do we have with the light? We have shadows. Yes, we can make shadows of our hands. Look. Here I have a rabbit. Here I have a dog. You see? And that's what happens with the moon and with the sun. Okay? With their own shadow, they make a solar eclipse. Okay, very good, scientist. So now we're going to clean up and we're going to say goodbye, okay? And you can keep trying in the night. How does it look like, okay? Before you go to sleep, you take a picture of your solar eclipse. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to clean up and we're going to say goodbye.
Let's pick up our things. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, time to clean up. Pick up, everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, time to pick up. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Everybody clean up, time to clean up. Pick up, everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, time to pick up. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Put your things away. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Put your things away.
Okay, ready, astronauts? Perfect. So now we're going to go back to the Earth. Okay, we're going to go back to the Earth and we are going to fly. Perfect, astronaut Angel. Ready?
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye.